Do you want to see Timebucks payment proof and see step by step how I withdraw more than $300 from this platform? Then this video is for you. My name's Michael and I have made several videos where I mentioned Timebucks before, and there has been some changes in the way they now process payments, and many viewers here have also asked me if it still pays. So I decided to record this video here where I will show you exactly how to withdraw, explain the methods that are available, and as mentioned also show you a payment proof and talk a little bit about how much you can overall expect to earn from this platform. So I am now logged into Timebucks, and I just want to clarify that this is not a full Timebucks tutorial. This is focused on showing how to withdraw on Timebucks and showing the payment proof. If you want a full tutorial about all the different ways to earn, I do have that on my website. I will leave a link to that below. In this video, we will focus on the changes in the payout options and the payment proof. So when it comes to getting paid, some people get confused on Timebucks because they come in and there's not as such a withdrawal or cash out options as you can find on many other get paid to sites. So what you need to understand is that you need to first select your payout option, and you need to go to the settings, then you need to go to payment method, and that is where you can see currently these are the payout options that they offer. There have been some changes here, but these are the ones at the time of recording this video here. So personally, I think these are really great options whether you want to get paid in cash or crypto, and no matter the country you live in, because Timebucks is available in basically all countries. So I think it has really great options. And also, no matter your method, you only need to earn $5. This is something they have lowered. It used to be 10, but now it's only $5 you need to earn. But what you need to understand is that I cannot just come here and withdraw right now, because you can see right now I have $357 in my account, and we will talk about later how much you can overall expect. This is taking quite some time, so don't expect to earn that overnight, but we'll talk more about that later. But I can't just go here and withdraw that because it processes it. Payments are sent, as you can see, weekly every Thursday automatically as long as you reach the payout threshold. You can also choose to just put it on hold. So for example, if you click to see the payment methods, then you can see there is this one, hold my payment, and that's what I have done so far because there have been some changes here with the payment system, so I just needed to find out how I wanted to use it now, how I wanted to get paid. But you can also add it to the Timebucks advertising balance. So if you use Timebucks to advertise also, you can actually use your earnings for that, so you don't have to add money. So I just wanted to mention that, so you don't have to take it out automatically. You can let it build up, as you can see here in my account I also have. But basically this is where you choose your payout option, and they will also give you instructions of exactly how that works. If it's a platform you need to sign up for, you can see Visa, that means you can actually get bank transfer. So it's one of the few get paid to sites where that also offers bank transfer. I think that's really great. You know, AirTM, Skrill, virtual Visa card, Litecoin, also Payear, where you can also get a lot of different cryptos if you want to. But for this video here, I have chosen PayPal as the payout option. And this is the first place you need to go to the settings, payment method, choose this one here, and then update the payment method there. Once you do that, they will ask you to actually verify you. They will send you an email and verify that email there by clicking a link, and then it will be updated. So you don't have to stick to this. Next week I can just change it and then get paid in a different way if I reach the payout threshold of $5 there. But just be aware that you can see also there's a cutoff date on Tuesdays there. So that means like whatever you have earned at that time there, New York time there, every Tuesday, that is what you will then get paid out on the Thursday. So that's important to be aware of. But this also explains, like now, you know, I have said it here, so now I'll just wait until it becomes Thursday, and then I will get paid, and I will also share a screenshot here so you can see that payment. But this also explains why, even though you can now see $357 in my wallet here, the amount would be slightly different there because I will keep earning until it's reached this cutoff date. But this is basically how you withdraw, and you can see from the screenshot, the email I got from PayPal, that the money did go into my PayPal account. I've been paid by Timebucks many times. I've used it for years, so I know that it definitely does pay. But I just also wanted to show that it still pays, and it even pays if you hold the payment and wait until you have accumulated more if you choose to do so. But let's also talk a little bit about how much you can overall earn, because I know a lot of you will now be asking, how long did it take you to earn these more than $300? So let's talk about that so you do it with the right expectations. So as you can see, I got paid more than $300. And let me just make it completely clear, this is not something I have earned in just 1 week. So it's not just what I got since last time they processed the payment. I chose to hold it for a while because I also want to show that they do process payments even when you hold payments and it is a little bit bigger payout. It's not something I necessarily recommend doing because in general, I don't think you should accumulate too much on get paid to sites because for whatever reason, they can happen different things. So it's good to just cash out. But sometimes it can also be annoying if you just get like $5 into, for example, if you want to use bank transfer or Wise there, then it may be better to wait until you earn like at least $50 or something. But that's of course completely up to you. You can withdraw when you earn $5. But there are many ways to earn here. And you can earn decent money. As you can see, just the surveys, how many there are here. They pay decent, they have content, they have a lot of tasks. You can basically always find ways to earn here no matter the country you live in. How many options you can find, of course, will vary depending on your country. But the $300 or more than $300 that I cashed out, it has taken me quite a long time. I don't know exactly how long because I just accumulated it for a while, but it has been a while. And I also want to be completely transparent because I have content here on my YouTube channel, on my website about Timebucks, and some people have decided to join through my referral link. So quite a bit of these earnings are also because I have invited others. Because if you invite others, you can also get a commission. So you get something whenever they earn. It's not taken from them. That's important to understand. So also if you join through my invitation link, I would appreciate that support. It doesn't mean you will earn less. It just means that Timebucks will also pay me a little bit to thank me for inviting others, and you can do the same. Also, you can see they have a referral task here where you can click there and go and invite others. So I just wanted to be transparent about that. So quite a bit of my earnings are also from that because I have sent quite a few people to Timebucks because I have shown people how to use it and how you can actually use it to earn quite effectively, basically no matter the country you live in. So I cannot say exactly how long will it take you, for example, to earn $100 because it of course depends a lot of the time you put into this, how much time do you put into it, also the country you live in. In some countries where there's a lot of service, you can see I have a lot of service available. That means that, some days I could earn $10 alone, $5 alone just by taking paid service. That's definitely possible in some countries. Then they also have the content tasks, the other tasks here. They don't pay that much, but they are easy to do. But if you don't have access to many service, then it will take longer to earn here. But then you have the offer walls. Sometimes you can find really high paying offers here and that can really boost your earnings. So I can't say, for some people, it might take a week or two to earn $100. For some, it might take several months to reach $100 on Timebucks. And I just wanted to make that clear so you do it with the right expectation. This is not a way to make a living. It's a way to earn some extra money on the side completely for free. And if you want to know even more about the different methods to earn and how to exactly to use it or see how to join, then I do have a full Timebucks tutorial on my website. You can click that below there. You can go there, read all the details there. You can also find the joining link if you want to join and check it out yourself if you're not already a member. So make sure to check that out below. But no matter what, I hope this video helped you. And if it did, then make sure to hit the like button. And also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out next time I release a video with tips and tricks about different ways to make money online.